Hello everyone, I would like to start today solving the science exam review sheet 1, and making a quick revision of what we've covered this semester. Let's start by the first thing. Here are the topics we covered in the exam. Unit 1, Part 1, Healthy Growing. It includes My Family and I, Bigger and Stronger I Grow, Stronger and Healthy I Grow, Good Food, Exercise, and Good Sleep. And all of these lessons we've covered this semester includes how we leave our body, or how to make our body stronger and healthy, what's safe and unsafe, and so on. The part 2 is the sensing the world. We've learned about senses, which was included the first lesson, which include all senses, the 5 senses. The sense of hearing, sight, tasting, smelling, touching, and so on. Now let's move directly to the exam review sheet 1. Here we have the first question. There are members in this family. What shall we do here? We have to count in this picture how many members are there. It means how many persons are there in the picture. Let's count. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. It means here there are 5 members in this family. As we go on, there are sons in this picture. How many sons? Let's check. It means the boy, the smaller boy, and his brother here, this one and this one. There are 2 sons in this family. And how many daughters? We check how many girls are there. The daughter, there is only 1 girl in this family. When you see this picture in your exam or anywhere else, and you have this picture here, you have to count how many persons are there. Let's move to the second question. Here we have to circle the stages, or the stage actually you are growing into now. We see you're not an adult and you're not a teenage. Here we have to circle the boy here, the child, since you're in child stage right now. Now let's move to the other part. On question 2, we have to look at the picture in the boxes. Answer the question by circling the correct picture. Let's check. Which one is bigger? We have to look at the picture. See, here we have a ball and you have another ball. There are 2 balls. The colorful ball is the bigger, and the yellow one here, the smallest one, is the smaller. Now, regarding to the question, we have to circle the bigger. Let's check which one is the colorful. This one is the bigger and the colorful. Now, let's move to another picture. We have to circle the smaller. We check the smaller apple is the green one, and the red apple is the bigger. Which one is the smaller? The green. We circle the green. It's not correct to circle this one because the red one is the bigger. Now let's move to the other picture. Here we have to circle the taller. Let's check here the trucks. This one is the taller. Now the next picture, we have the mandarinas and the cucumber. We look here, the cucumber is the taller. As we go through, let's move to the other question. Here we have question number 4. We have to circle the correct behavior. When we want to circle the correct behavior, we have to look if this individual or this child is doing something wrong or bad. If you do exercise and go to play football, boys, especially you boys, You have to look if it's good for your health or not. Definitely it's very good to play football and to do exercise every day, at least 1 hour, or you go out. Now let's check if this boy is going a great job now here. He's playing football and he's happy. Let's circle this behavior. Excellent, well done. Let's move to the other picture here. You see that this boy is doing something right? No, he's not doing something right. Now this boy is crossing the road in an abnormal way, and this is not acceptable. It's not safe as well. It's unsafe. We have not to circle it. We don't have to circle it. Let's move to the other picture here. The boy and the girl are brushing their teeth. This is a good behavior. We have to circle it, definitely. Now, it's either good or bad when it comes to going and visiting the dentist. Definitely it's correct, and it's one of the best behavior you have to do it. Every now and then everyone should go and visit the dentist. Let's move to the other part of the question. Question 5. We have to circle the right clothes for a rainy day. It feels so cold outside and you cannot wear short sleeve t-shirt. We have to look at the things, or especially the clothes that this boy has to wear. Here we have the jumpsuit here and the pants. We have the umbrella because it's raining outside, and the rainy boots. This is the way when we go outside when it's raining, we have to wear these clothes in order to be safe. Let's move to this question. Here we have to match the pictures together. Let's check. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. What can we see? We can see the sky, okay, and we can read books. Here we have this picture here that shows that it's written on it an apple. We saw the word apple on the paper here or the book. We match it here together. When we want to use our nose, definitely we will use the sense of smelling. We smell delicious food, okay? We smell the perfume. We can smell the flower. Here we have this pizza here. It has a delicious and yummy smell. It feels so good. Now let's move to the sense of taste. Okay, now we have to ask ourselves, what do we do with our mouth? We taste or we eat food. Let's go to the pizza. Actually, we taste the pizza. It's so delicious. Now, regarding using our ears, we have to check which picture here we have to match it with. When the phone is ringing and we want to answer it, we have to use our ears to answer the phone call. Regarding using our hands or touching some things, we can write and touch the dog or the cat. But here we have the word and it's already written. The boy has to hold the pencil in order to write. We match it in this way. This is the way we use our senses. Regarding this question, we have to choose only one word, whether smell, see, touch, taste, or hear, to describe what can you do when you use your senses. There are 5 senses. Remember them. Now I can the perfume. What can we do to the perfume? We smell the perfume. We use our nose to smell the perfume. Slara would write the word smell. The second one, I can the sky. What can you do to the sky? We look at the sky. To look at the sky, we use our eyes. It's the sense of see. We see, or sense of sight. We see the sky. I can the dog. What can you do to the dog? We touch the dog, or we hold a pencil. We use our hands to touch things. Now Miss Laura will write the word touch the dog. I can the ice cream. How do you know the ice cream if it's delicious or not? We taste it. We use our mouth to taste the ice cream. I can taste the ice cream. Now, regarding the last one, I can the sound of music. What do we do with the sound of music? We hear it or we listen to the music. We use our ears. Here now we have to write the word here. I can hear the sound of the music. Don't forget your five senses. They are so important. Okay, thank you for being attentive and good luck. Bye bye.